So hey guys, it's Sasha Storm 458 here, and today we'll be showing our fidget toys. So we recently got a fidget pack and we unboxed it today. Well, I didn't film it, but I'm just saying. So anyways, we're going to show our fidgets. First up is a puzzle ball. Second of all is a triple dimple. We actually got scammed by it.
Go, put it down.
Third is a fidget cube. Fourth is a strawberry squishy. 5 is a fidget pad. 6 is this DNA ball. We got scammed.
Put it down.
7 marble mesh.
Oh wait, Sasha. We have lots of them.
Yep.
Here's the rest of our marble mesh.
And then we have more marble mesh right here.
Put them down, Sasha.
You have a huge piece of wacky track.
Put them down.
Small monkey note.
These are the jumbo ones.
Yep.
We had a pop tube.
But it's
It
broken
It broke.
into 3 pieces.
Still can work. Next.
4 pea poppers.
Next, all of our mochis.
Yep, that's a lot.
Snake, that's inside of a diamond. It's a snake.
Yep.
Next is Sasha. 2 spike balls.
There's a third one. So
Third.
yeah, there's a third one.
Homemade golden ring and actual golden ring. I think it's, I don't know.
Yeah, this is a DIY.
DIY. 2 mini fidget spinners.
Yep.
Bicycle chain.
It's kind of different.
Done. Sasha, put it down. Ragdoll.
Where's our ragdoll monkey?
No. Squishy baseball.
Yeah.
And fidget
Rubik's Cube.
Rubik's Cube.
We have lots of other
and
Rubik's Cube, like 5 more.
Another squishy ball and 3 of our puppets. Among Us one, the pentagon.
No, hexagon. That's a
and
bad one.
This one. This is
This
our
is the best one.
Best one. Just here.
The Among Us one is pretty good.
I don't know if you can hear it. And then turn it around. It's our best.
We got the Among Us one and the bear one right here in the pack.
Look, it's done.
And we have a balloon.
That's not a fidget toy.
I know, but like we can make it into a stress ball. And last but not least, the spider. So anyways, our fidget collection is done. Look at everything right here.
I can't see.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it's a lot, but when you actually look at it, it's a lot. Anyways, make sure to like and subscribe to Sasha Storm 458 and hit notifications. See you later. Bye.